Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up sleep schedules for your Airtame devices. Sleep schedules means that you set up a set of rules for when a display has to be turned on and off to be used with your Airtame device. This is a great way of making sure that your TV or projector will last longer and save on energy by turning off when it is not really needed. Let me show you how you set it up. So on my laptop, I have my Airtame Cloud organization open. I'm going to select one or more devices I want to affect with my sleep schedule, and then click on the Edit Settings button. In the device settings, I'm going to select the Schedules menu and look for the Sleep Schedule toggle. I'm going to turn on the toggle, and from here you can see we have two different options of controlling when the display should be turned off. The first option listed down here is turning off the display when the Airtame device is not in use. That means when the Airtame device is not being used for screen sharing or running a call, the display will be turned off. You can then set this to happen instantly when the session ends, or wait a few minutes. In the meantime, it will show the digital signage you have configured for the device. Alternatively, you can apply a fixed schedule for the week where the screen will be turned off. So as you can see in this example, the screen will be on during the normal work days, Monday to Friday. It will turn on at 8 o'clock and it will turn off at 8 o'clock in the evening. That means during the nighttime and during the entirety of Saturday and Sunday, the displays will be turned off, saving on power and again making sure the displays will last longer by not constantly being on when no one is looking at them. Once you're happy with your settings for your device, simply click the Save button and the sleep schedule will be applied to your Airtame device or devices. And once the right time is set up, the screen will automatically turn off using the CEC signal over HDMI into your display like a TV or projector. So this has been a quick demo of how you actually set up sleep schedules. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.